Just the only one. The only one. Man, they H2, but I'm the only H hustle. I'm the only H Dukes.
Anyway, what's your name again?
Streets.
We got Streets. He said he not from the streets, but he run them.
I run them.
Anyway, tell us a little bit about yourself and what you do for the group.
What I do? I mean, I'm more like a strong voice. You know what I'm saying? Like Stone, you know what I'm saying? Same one, he got the big man voice, but I'm more the strong voice. I'm a little offbeat, but I can grab the beat.
How'd you get involved with this?
We all family.
Family?
We all family. They're my brothers.
Okay. That's what one of them saying that y'all grew up together.
Yeah, we all grew up together like
Pontiac.
Yeah, Pontiac, born and raised. Yep.
So shout out, do some shout outs right there.
Shout out H Deuce, Hustle Hard, Dirty Ink ENT. You know what I'm saying? Shout out my Stack City niggas. Shout out Small City, YTB, Yaktown, Pontiac, born and raised. Much love, no doubt.
All right, we out. Thank you very much.